Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change language back to English or any other language on your phone. So I will show you in my Android phone. There is a many way I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my mobile phone, and first if you want to change your phone language, that you have to go in your settings. So just scroll down and just find your setting option. You can give, and you can see I'm using Motorola G, so you can see there is a different interface. You can see there is a different option as per your phone, so you have to find language option in your phone. So I'll suggest the simple way. Everyone can find the language option. Just click on search bar and just type language and just search. Then your languages settings will come here. Yeah, that is okay, my spelling mistake, but it will be come. Now you have to choose your phone language. So there is a many language. You can see like set the language specific voice for spoken text. That is another way, and there is another settings, but you have to choose language and input. Just click on it. So here you can see language option. Just click on it. In my case I have English United States, but you can add from here. Just click on add, and you can add any language if you want. If you want Dutch, Chinese, anything you can add. Okay, if I add anything, like if I add English India, okay, I just add. But when you add another language, you can add your first language. You can delete your first language. Okay, remove. You have to select language you want to remove and delete. Okay, so it will be delete. So guys, that is how you can change your phone language back to English. Okay, so if you want to change Chrome English, Chrome language, you can change from Chrome. Okay, so when you go in Chrome, if you go click on this three dot option, okay, and go to the settings. In setting you will find the language option. Okay, just scroll down and here is the language option, and you can change language from here as same. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.